Wake up. What? You gotta get up. Today is your first day. You have nature camp day. You still believe I'm going to go to that? I am not going to that thing. Come on, at least get dressed. It's going to be really, really fun. No, it's not. It's going to be dumb, and I would rather, just sit in here all day, okay? Please. Today is not a good day. Ugh. Honey, please, just get ready. No, I'm not. Please. No! Please, just get ready. Whatever. Fine. Thank you. Today's the worst. Whatever. I'm gonna hate this. Seriously? You're still mad? Yeah, this is gonna be the worst. Ugh. I can't believe you're sending me away. I'm not sending you away. It's a nature camp to be nature-y. No, it's just dumb. Okay, everyone follow me. All right, now here with me is Roundy. He's been my horse for a couple years. Okay, let's go. Ew. This is where I have to sleep? Yeah, it's gross. This is actually kind of yummy. Okay, everyone to bed. It's so dark. It's so spooky out here. I'm getting up. Where am I? Breathe. Just breathe. I'm just gonna sit down. This camp is the worst. I hate it. Why did my mom send me here? Ugh.